Health benefits of avocado. The avocado is an evergreen, tropical tree with green, pear-shaped, nutrient-dense fruit. The term avocado refers to both the tree and the fruit. The avocado is a member of the flowering plant family, Lauraceae. Avocados, also known as an alligator pear or butter fruit, are a stone fruit with a creamy texture that grow in warm climates. Their potential health benefits include improving digestion, decreasing risk of depression, and protection against cancer. Avocados come in hundreds of different varieties. While most fruit consists primarily of carbohydrate, avocado is high in healthy fats and is the only fruit that provides a substantial amount of healthy monounsaturated fatty acids (MUFA). Avocados contain nearly 20 vitamins and minerals. How to store avocados. Keep avocados at room temperature until they're ripe. If your avocado is ripe, place it in the fridge. You should get another 3 to 5 more days. If you want to ripen an avocado, put it in a brown paper bag with an apple. When is an avocado ripe? Hass avocados grow darker as they ripen, but green skins keep their color. To determine ripeness, gently squeeze your avocado with all fingers. If a slight amount of pressure causes it to give, it's ready. You can also peel back the small stem or cap at the top of the avocado. If it comes away easily and you find green underneath, you have got a ripe avocado that's ready to eat. With a thicker skinned or hard-shelled variety, you can pull out the little cap and stick a toothpick in. If it's soft, the avocado is ready to eat. Benefits. Foods such as avocados can help to decrease the risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and overall mortality while promoting a healthy complexion, increased energy, and overall lower weight. Vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. 1 serving, or 40 grams, contains 64 calories, almost 6 grams of fat, 3.4 grams of carbohydrate, less than a gram of sugar, and 3 grams of fiber. Avocados also contain vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, potassium, lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Heart health. Regular consumption of beta-sitosterol and other plant sterols helps to maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Avocados contain 25 mg per ounce of a natural plant sterol called beta-sitosterol. Healthy vision. Not only do avocados increase antioxidant absorption from other foods, they are also high in antioxidants themselves, including lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 phytochemicals that are especially concentrated in the tissues in the eyes, where they provide antioxidant protection to help minimize damage. These nutrients are very important for eye health and lower your risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Adding avocados to your diet may also help to reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Avocado extract may help relieve symptoms of arthritis. There are many types of arthritis, which are often chronic problems that people have for the rest of their lives. Multiple studies have suggested that avocado oil extracts, called avocado unsaponifiables, can reduce osteoarthritis. Osteoporosis. An avocado provides approximately 50% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Eating a diet with adequate vitamin K can support bone health by increasing calcium absorption and reducing urinary excretion of calcium. Cancer. Adequate intake of folate from food has shown promise in protecting against colon, stomach, pancreatic, and cervical cancers. Folate protects against undesirable mutations in DNA and RNA during cell division. Phytochemicals in avocado can selectively inhibit the growth of precancerous and cancerous cells and cause the death of cancer cells, while encouraging the proliferation of immune system cells called lymphocytes. Avocado may help you lose weight. Avocados may aid weight loss by keeping you full longer and making you eat fewer calories. They're also high in fiber and low in carbs, which may promote weight loss. Babies. Folate or folic acid is extremely important for a healthy pregnancy. It reduces the risk of miscarriage and neural tube defects. Avocados contain approximately 20% of the daily volume of folic acid required. Avocados can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Heart disease is the most common cause of death in the world. Cholesterol, triglycerides, inflammatory markers, blood pressure and various others are linked to an increased risk. Including avocado in a low-fat, vegetarian diet significantly improves the cholesterol profile. Lowers the risk of depression. Foods that contain high levels of folate may help to decrease the risk of depression. Folate helps to prevent the buildup of homocysteine, a substance that can impair circulation and delivery of nutrients to the brain. Excess homocysteine can also interfere with the production of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. Prevent gum disease. In 2006 a study was published in the Journal of Periodontology, which found that key ingredients in avocados may enhance protective effects against periodontal disease. Improves digestion. An avocado is high in fiber with up to 14 grams per fruit. Eating foods with natural fiber can help prevent constipation, maintaining a healthy digestive tract, and also lowers the risk of colon cancer. Avocados can help prevent food poisoning. The antibacterial activity of avocados can help protect against E. coli and other foodborne pathogens. Detoxification. Adequate fiber promotes regular bowel movements, which are crucial for the daily excretion of toxins through the bile and stool. Natural dietary fiber may also play a role in regulating the immune system and inflammation. Osteoporosis. Saponins, found in avocados, are associated with relief of symptoms in knee osteoarthritis. Chronic disease. High-fiber foods are associated with lower risks of developing coronary heart disease, stroke, hypertension, diabetes, lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance weight loss for obese individuals. More potassium than bananas. Potassium is an important mineral that most people don't get enough of. Avocados are very high in potassium, which helps to support healthy blood pressure levels. Risks. If you are taking blood thinners, such as warfarin, it is important that you do not suddenly begin to eat more or less foods containing vitamin K, which plays a large role in blood clotting. Avocados sometimes appear on lists of foods to avoid if suffering from migraines, due to the high levels of tyramine, a substance formed when proteins break down they contain when overripe. If excess weight is a concern, you may want to limit how many you eat, as avocados are high in fat and calories. A small amount can go a long way. If you have a latex allergy, you may want to see if avocados trigger any of the same symptoms. Avocados contain some of the same allergens found in latex.